Hey folks, Sean Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm going to be answering the question, are bank sold annuities any good? The answer is not usually. And there's a couple of reasons why. Number one, banks are usually have a very limited list of annuity products that they can sell. The representative that is selling you the annuity typically has little real world experience in annuities. So which causes a lot of mistakes. I'll give you an example. I had a woman come up to me a week and a half ago via our chat and said, hey, I went to my bank back in 2018 and I bought an annuity through my bank and they sold me the Silac Teton bonus 10 annuity. And I was shocked because I was like, you're telling me you went to your local bank and you bought one of the lowest rated insurance companies in the United States from a bank or a credit union? And she's like, yeah. She's like, how do I get out of it? And so we kind of worked our way based on her situation to get out of it as painless as possible. But my gut tells me it wasn't for nefarious reasons, because the bank usually pays the representative a salary, you know what I mean, versus a commission only type of deal. But the fact that they sold, if there's companies that I tend to stay away from, Nassau is one of them, Silac's one of them, Atlantic Coast Life, Sentinel Security Life. These are all companies that are extremely, they're either really poorly rated or they're having a lot of problems staying in business. Okay, and so and if your annuity is only as good as the insurance company, right? And then the flip side of that, the insurance company is only as good as the products they sell, unless you're Allianz. And then the annuity you buy is only as good as the representative that sold it to you. So historically, from my professional experience, folks that have bought annuities from banks or credit union tend to be crappier products. And that means a lower income or lower rated company, or less upside, or maybe there's a giant bonus with no growth potential. And that's not good for your bottom line. So I want to set the expectation that if you are seriously looking to buy an annuity, your mentality should be the same as buying a home or buying a car, right? It's a major purchase. If you buy a home, you're going to buy someone who just got the real estate license. Let me rephrase that. Are you going to buy your next home from a non-friend or family that just got their real estate license? I know I wouldn't. Why would I put myself in that position? You're likely to be putting your situation in that with a bank or a credit union just because of the lack of real world direct to consumer experience on annuity products. And because of their list is so limited, they don't know what's out there for their competitors, right? So the best place to buy an annuity is through an independent annuity broker, because like the Annuity Expert, and yes, I know this is biased, but we have the largest selection of annuity products in the United States. We're clocking in at over 1,500 different annuity contracts. Why would you go to a local bank or credit union that only has like 15 annuity products that they can sell to you? They've got to sell what's on the truck. Let me explain what that saying means. Sell what's on the truck. If you have something on your truck, you sell it, even if it's not the best annuity for that person's specific scenario, right? So if you were to walk into a bank and say, hey, I want to buy an annuity, I read online, this looks really cool, they're going to sell you one of those 15 annuities, regardless if it's a good fit for you or not. Well, not good for you, but the best. So the highest income or the most upside, or a plus rated company, or the right bonus, or just the right product for your very specific niche scenario, right? That's what you're going to run into. 18 years have been doing this. That's what happens when you buy an annuity from a bank or a credit union. The only exception that I've seen is if you buy a MYGA. MYGA, there's no guesswork, right? It's like buying a CD. You buy a MYGA, you know, your argument is, can you get a higher interest rate? Can you buy an annuity with a better interest rate and better terms and condition that's not on the bank or credit union's truck, right? Other than that, You know, I just had somebody who we talked to wanting to buy a Lincoln and Athene MYGA from me last week. Found out their bank sold it, and they said, hey, they don't want to write it through me. They want to buy it through their bank for obvious reasons. And I'm like, yeah, go for it. We'll cancel the applications and you go buy it through them. And then you can go to your bank and bug them every day about their MYGA that's going to earn a fixed interest rate. So very long-winded, all over the place. I understand, but all these videos are off the cuff. So there's no rehearsing or anything like that. There's no reading off a teleprompter like every other stupid financial YouTuber out there. So got any questions, leave a comment. I'll answer it over the next couple of days, and we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.